This is our best-selling A-series explosion-proof lamp model this year.
Built for high-temperature hazardous sports, industrial workshops, dust rooms, hazardous material areas, they handle tough conditions easily. Our lines mainly export to Europe and the US, and these certifications are why we meet their strict rules. X. Must have for explosion-proof products. IECX, Global Standard for International Markets. TVSD, Back Safety and Quality. ETL, unlocks the US market. API, necessity for petroleum industry. GS, trusted safety mark in Europe. ABS, face harsh marine environments.